Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel's name is Brainstorm with Yash and I am here as your host Yash Kaushik. So today I'm going to make a playing 11, my predicted playing 11 for Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, the two-time IPL winners. So without wasting any time today, let's begin with the video and with the main content. Just a basic introduction for Kolkata Knight Riders, that is KKR. They won IPL first time in 2012 and second time in 2014. In Curran's time in 2020 IPL's edition, Brendan McCullum, a legendary New Zealander, is their coach and Dinesh Karthik is their captain. So one more very interesting fact. As I told you, Brendan McCullum is currently coach of Kolkata Knight Riders. So I should tell you this thing, that he was coaching TKR, that is Caribbean Premier League's winning team in 2020's edition. So McCullum as coach for the first time of any team, that team won that tournament. I'm not saying that KKR will win, but let's see. So if I start from 1st to 11th, here are my playing 11. On number 1, I'll have a very amazing, experience in so many young domestic tournaments. I'll have Shubman Gill as my number 1 opener. Shubman Gill, you all know he played under 19 World Cup under Prithvi Shaw's captaincy, and boy, that World Cup was amazing. Shubman Gill has developed as a batsman. He was a member of India's Test squad also. He played India A's matches in New Zealand too. So a very well experienced and a very young cricketer. He will be absolutely amazing for this year's opening partnership for KKR. On number 2 position, I'll have, well, I should not say that he's a regular opener, but from past few years, he is being opening innings. On number 2, I'll have Sunil Narayan. Spinner, you should say, a bowler in the beginning of his career, but now he has developed to open innings in domestic T20 cricket. So Sunil Narayan, he can hit from the first ball of the innings, like no matter he's a pacer or a spinner against him, but he can hit from the first ball. And Sunil Narayan, a lefty, Shubman Gill, a righty, left-right, that combination on the opening stand, amazing for KKR for this season. On number 3 position, I'll have a guy who originally belongs from Delhi, but he plays for KKR and he's with KKR from quite few years now. So on number 3, I'll have a left-hander, which is Nitish Rana, an Indian left-hander. Amazing batsman, and he has got those techniques, he has got those flip shots with him, and he's a lefty, so it will be very important for him to run the innings, to flow with to bat with other guys and to support them. So if I talk about number 4, well, this guy needs no introduction, because if you are a true cricket fan, you must be knowing this guy. In 2019, England won the Cricket World Cup for the first time, the 50-over World Cup, and this guy, my number 4 for KKR, was the captain of that team. None other than number 4, Ian Morgan. Ian Morgan has played for Kolkata Knight Riders few years back, but now he is back and as a defending World Cup champion, you can say. And he is in top form right now. If you see his stats in the last 12 months, he has played so much cricket and so much amazing cricket. He has improved his strike rate also. So without any doubt, number 4, Ian Morgan. On number 5 position, I'll have my captain, and he is a wicket keeper also. Veteran? No. Young, I should say. He's not young, but the way he has developed as a cricketer in past 5 years, amazing. On number 5, I'll have Dinesh Karthik, my captain for KKR. I'm doing this because number 6 position for KKR belongs to Andre Russell. Now, अगर आपको Andre Russell का introduction चाहिए, then please, नहीं. वो बंदा, that guy can do anything. Even if team needs 70 runs in last 24 balls and Andre Russell comes out, everyone will be like, boy, this will be chased. Like, this target definitely will be chased because Russell is batting. He is a gigantic batsman. What should I say? Like, he is an all-rounder, he can bowl too. He has got that pace 140 plus. So definitely my number 6, Andre Russell. Well, now if I talk about number 7th position, boy, this guy, he was sold for 15.5 crores in the auction this year, and Kolkata Knight Riders bought this guy. On number 7th, I'll have Pat Cummins. Pat Cummins has played for Delhi in IPL in previous years. He has played for Kolkata too in the beginning of IPL, but now he is back with 15.5 crores tag with him. So definitely he'll play all the 14 matches for me for KKR. On number 8's position, I'll have my India's, you should say, a regular white ball, left arm Chinaman bowler. So I'll have Kuldeep Yadav on number 8. Kuldeep Yadav is extraordinary. Last year IPL was not so good for him, but I am so sure that this year he will turn the tables and he will definitely perform for KKR. So on number 9th, I'll have a very interesting bowler. He's a leg spinner, a right arm leg spinner. His name is Varun Chakravarti. So if you know that last year Kings 11 Punjab bought him for a massive amount because in Tamil Nadu's domestic T20 league he performed extremely well, and Ashwin was also playing that league. He also praised this guy Varun Chakravarti. Varun Chakravarti definitely can be a surprise package for KKR this year. On number 10th, I'll have a right arm fast bowler whose bowling action, I love that bowling action because that's so simple but still so dangerous bowling, like so lethal bowling I should say. On number 10th, I'll have Prasidh Krishna. Prasidh Krishna has developed as a bowler. He has been part of India A. Amazing bowler and yeah, very talented too. The last slot, the number 11 slot, from my point of view, it will go to Shivam Mavi. Now, if you know that Shivam Mavi played few matches for KKR, but he got injured, he had a surgery. Now he is absolutely fit and he's back for KKR. So definitely he will play first match. That is on 23rd of September against Mumbai Indians. So without any doubt, Shivam Mavi will fit in 11 for at least first match. So just to give you a quick recap of my KKR's 11 for their first match against Mumbai Indians, here are my 11. On number 1, I'll have Shubman Gill. On number 2, I'll have Sunil Narayan. On number 3, I'll have Nitish Rana. On number 4th, I'll have Ian Morgan. On number 5, I'll have Dinesh Karthik as my captain and as my wicketkeeper. On number 6th, it will be Andre Russell. On number 7th, it will be Pat Cummins. On number 8th, it will be Kuldeep Yadav. On number 9th, it will be Prasidh Krishna. On number 10th, it will be Shivam Mavi. And on number 11th, it will be Varun Chakravarti. So in case you guys notice in this playing 11, there are 8 bowling options with Dinesh Karthik. Like there are 8 players who can actually bowl, including Nitish Rana. So amazing choice for UAE pitches. So this was my 5th video on KKR's predicted 11 against Mumbai Indians on 23rd of September this month. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please drop your views in the comment section. Please share this video. Jitne views de sakte ho do. And I'll be back tomorrow with another teams playing 11. Most probably it will be... चलो comment section में guess करो किसकी playing 11 कल बनाऊं. Anyways, take care and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.